Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام بديع السماوات والأرض أن يكون له ولد ولم تكن له صاحبة وخلق كل شيء وهو بكل شيء عليم. Translation: He is the originator and creator of the heavens and earth. How can he have a son when he has no wife, and when he himself has created everything and he has all the knowledge of everything? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the sole and absolute creator of this universe. And this word Badi' is important to understand, which means that creation ex nihilum, meaning that there was nothing and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in this ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created the whole universe, and now some of the polytheists suggest that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has children. How come a human mind go to that extreme if the human mind thinks that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is omnipotent, is omniscient, and He is the creator of everything? The human being or the other creations try to find comfort in their children because they know that they will be dead in the future, and in the future their children will take their legacy forward. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is al-hayy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is alive from forever, and He will be alive forever. And He does not need any son, any daughter, or anyone to continue His legacy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is free from any need. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned a very strong argument against those who suggest children for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even those who suggest children for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they cannot claim, and they never have claimed, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a wife. Because to have children, you have to have a wife. Without wife, you cannot have children. And even Christians who claim that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a son, na'udhu billah, and they say that Jesus alayhi salam is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's son, they don't say that the Maryam alayhi salam is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wife. They cannot say that, and a human can never claim that, because to have children they have to have some relation, and nobody can say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has such a relation with any creation, na'udhu billah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of each and everything in this universe, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He has absolute and complete knowledge of everything. So humans have gone astray, very, very far away from the truth when they say that na'udhu billah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a son or daughter. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us firm on 100% tawheed. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.